Hello and welcome to the Sewing Whisperer and another video in the Pocket playlist. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to sew a tailored Welt Inset pocket. A classic elevated pocket with no visible stitching, perfect for outerwear such as overcoats, trench coats and jackets. If this is your first time here, don't forget to check out the other pocket tutorials in this series. Each one builds your skills step by step, whether you're brand new to sewing or just brushing up. Want to sew along with me? You'll find free downloadable patterns linked in the description below. This pocket has a beautiful tailored finish, often seen in high quality outerwear. Let's walk through it step by step. If you're sewing along, print and cut the pattern pieces. Cut the fabric and mark all notches. Mark the pocket rectangle on the right side of the main fabric piece. Press fusible interfacing to the wrong side of the main piece, centered over the drill holes. Press fusible interfacing to the welt. Sew the underfacing to the under pocket bag. Overlock the seam. Position the welt in place on the main piece and pin. Sew the welt in place. Check the pocket marking and make sure it matches the finished welt width. Position the under pocket bag accordingly. Sew the under pocket bag. Cut the pocket opening. Fold the piece slightly, snip the centre, then cut along the rectangle towards the corners. Cut right up to but not through the stitching. Take care not to cut the welt or the under pocket bag. Cutting too far causes holes. Not cutting far enough creates tucks. Turn everything through to the wrong side. Position each end neatly, then sew across the triangle to form clean right-angled corners. Position the upper pocket bag. Sew the upper pocket bag in the same stitching line used for attaching the welt. Pin both pocket bags together. Flip the garment out of the way and sew around the pocket bag. Overlock around the pocket bag. If the garment's lined, you can skip neatening. You can just leave a raw edge. For unlined coats or jackets, binding the pocket bag gives a stronger and more professional finish. Give the pocket a final press. And that's it. You now have the skills to apply a tailored Welt Inset pocket to any garment. Let me know in the comments if this is a pocket you'd like to try, or if you already have. I'd love to hear how it went. Next up in the pocket playlist, we'll be sewing a tailored welt pocket where the welt sits on top. Perfect for overcoats, trench coats and jackets, just another variation of this style pocket. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you're sewing along with this series, I'll see you in the next one. If you want some help with binding, check out this video that shows a few different options on how to apply binding.